Designed for rice and other bulk goods, this PP woven bag combines practical packing performance with the strength needed for daily handling. At HAPLAST, each bag is produced through a controlled manufacturing process to support stable structure, clean finishing, and consistent product quality. When laid flat, the bag shows a practical form for storage, while the stitched edge adds a neater and more secure finish. A closer look reveals the interwoven PP structure that gives the bag its strength, durability, and suitability for bulk packing applications. Manufactured by HAPLAST Group, this product is backed by recognized certifications that reflect our commitment to quality control, product compliance, and export-ready manufacturing standards. That is why global partners continue to place their trust in HAPLAST. Looking for a reliable insulated food bag manufacturer? Partner with HAPLAST Group for practical, export-ready packaging solutions.